For 238 years, Dickinson has had a steadfast mission, educating students who will be engaged leaders in our world. Born in the early days of this great nation, through both turbulent times of wars and pandemics, and hopeful periods of peace and prosperity, we have produced those with the knowledge and courage to meet the challenges of their time. We have graduated top researchers who are developing life-saving drugs, CEOs who are changing the face of business, entrepreneurs who are creating sustainable solutions to global issues, educators and financial executives who are working to create a more just world. We've even produced a few federal judges, one of whom just retired to take another interesting job. Now, Dickinson was created to be a revolutionary institution, one that marries broad-based academic effort with a wider world practice. Our students are imbued with a global perspective and engage in a style of learning that urges them to take an active role in their communities. Now, much has changed in the last several years, but that mission remains our North Star, the duty that drives us forward. The future of this college has never been brighter. We are a world-class institution, members of a truly remarkable international community. Each of us must show our pride in this place that has shaped us, and we must testify to all we meet about this special community in Carlisle, Pennsylvania that dares to act boldly on a global stage. So it's time to do the intense work to make sure that we remain one of the finest liberal arts colleges in the country, one with the imagination and the energy to grow its leadership role among higher education institutions. We teach our students to question, to challenge their assumptions, and to break away from the comfortable. As a community, we must be willing to do the same. The next 2 years will be an exciting time of creative work and co-innovation, and I call on all of you to join me as we roll up our sleeves, examine our efforts and the lessons we have learned, and mold our beloved college to meet the demands of a new era. Dickinson is a great institution, but it can become an even better one, and we have the courage and confidence to get there. I am commencing an initiative that will catapult us forward among our peers. We will work together as a community, not just to imagine our future, but to build it with a boldness that grows from centuries of experience. We are lifelong learners, able to evolve and to adapt to the needs of a changing world. We must tackle the opportunities ahead of us with imagination and creativity, and I'm certain that we will. We are Dickinsonians. We are members of a world-class institution that dares to be the best. We were founded as a revolutionary college, and we must be forever revolutionary. Join me in launching Dickinson Forward, a revolutionary future.